Hey friends, it's Stephanie. Welcome back to Savvy Girl Saves. Today we're going to be working on my Christmas binder, so if you're as excited as I am, give this video a thumbs up right now so you don't forget later. And was planning on doing Christmas and the roll and save. However, I have a stack of Christmas freebies that I want to share for the Christmas in July. I do Christmas all year long, but I want to share some of the freebies that I found. So I'm going to do the roll and save in another video just so this one isn't like, 100 hours long. So let's get started. Also, in the comments down below, you'll find links to all of the things, and you will also find a link to my mailing list if you would like to join. I have a newsletter that I send out every week with like things I like and tips and tricks and anxiety and just all types of things, Amazon links, protein links, just things that I like to share. So if you'd like to join the mailing list, I also put a freebie in that mailing list. So anyway, it's linked down below. Let's get started. I got $25 today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 in singles. And I am going to roll a 4-sided die and put however many dollar bills into that particular challenge. We're going to start on number 1. That's where the paper clip is. Oh my God, the heat finally broke here. It is Thursday morning. Thursday on my lunch break. I'm actually filming this real time, not ahead of time. Hear the birds? I was able to open the windows. It's like dropped down to like 70 degrees. We had a little rain this morning, so it cooled it right down, because I have heard so many of you saying that the heat was just completely unbearable. We were up to like 102, 105 up here. It was just disgusting. All right, let's get going. So how has your week been? I also want to take a second and thank everybody for the wonderful, wonderful response to the collab. Oh my God. I am so excited that y'all were so excited, which makes me excited. So I want to do more. So if you're a YouTuber on here and you're a budgeter and you make videos and you want to do a collab with me, oh my God, let's do it. I'm open to anything. Like, I'll do anything. I did it with Weekly Budgets Co. And she's like, I want to do the ocean. Okay. Like, I'll do whatever. I'll do whatever. Just let me know. Send me a message. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's see here. So Christmas in July, I guess, starts next week. I only have $2 left. I'm not going to roll. I'm going to put it number 5. And next week we will start on number 6. I guess it's starting next week. I don't know what it is. I know what it is, but I was not part of this budgeting community when last year, so I didn't know Christmas in July was a thing. I save for Christmas all year long. I'm going to do this binder for the rest of the year, and then, I don't know, we'll see what happens next year, but I like saving with my $25 a week. Like, I guess some people save up all of their minis and tinies and all of that, and Freebie Fridays go towards Christmas that month for like the whole year, where I don't know if I like that, because I want my minis to fund my other things. I don't know, whatever. But you know me, things change. All right, so this one is from Cash Money Budgets. It says Christmas calories don't count. And this is going towards Christmas. I'm feeling a little silly today. Maybe it's because I can finally open the windows and I have some fresh air, because Lord knows we have been shut in for the last 5 days. I have a 3-story townhouse condo, and my son is on the 3rd floor, and that was a rollover dollar. He's on the 3rd floor, and his condo window overlooks the roof of the people in front of us. So the roof is black. So we put the silver, and he's got 2 huge windows. They're like 5 feet by 6 feet. They're huge. We put that silver bubble wrap in there, and he's like, it really, really helps. But the downside is I feel like I'm in a cave because it's so dark in order to keep it so cool up there. And then once the sun comes to my side, we close all the blinds just to keep the sun out, because it's so hot. But anyway, it's so nice to like open this up and have some real sunlight. All right, this had a rollover, so let's see what this got today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is from Buttercup Budgets, hanging out till Christmas. So we're gonna do, let's do different colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so 1. Let's make this one pretty. 2, 3, 4. Usually all the Christmas challenges I do throughout the year are freebies anyway. Oh, why did I have a rollover? No, that's weird. Okay, let's just count this up and see what the hell's going on. Oh, because I did $2 each. Well, you know what, friends? Now it's $1. Now it's $1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So let's just color the rest of these. Oh my God. See? This is what happens. Don't break your consistency. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because I always make them $1. And this one I wanted to make $2. And look what happened. Look what happened, friends. Look what happened. So like I was saying, I think most of the, let me write this in a darker pen just so I can see it. I think that most of the challenges in here are freebies. I very rarely buy challenges anymore because there are so many free ones, and I really love to promote the other channels. I do buy scratch offs. I do buy full-size games like roll and saves and shut the box. I bought a bunch of shut the box ones, but anyway, let's see. This one is Teacher Mom Budgets. Isn't this so pretty? Oh, I love this one. Save 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got a rollover. Let's not roll over since Stephanie's not good at that. We'll put that aside and put it into another challenge. So we got 4. And we'll do the orange because it'll match his little carrot nose. Man, I feel out of sorts today. So let's see what we got in here so far. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very exciting. All right, number 3, challenge number 4. I'm learning not to count it in advance because then I just count it again. And that's stupid. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is from Budget with Amanda. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the extra one makes 6. There we go. See, I don't call it cheating. So people are like, oh, I don't, you're cheating on the chat. I'm not, well, not to me. I don't think it's cheating. You're just making your money work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Definitely need to condense this week. I just make it work. Like, what's the difference if it's sitting in the binder till next time, sitting in a rollover fund in the rollover area, or checked off in another challenge? What's the difference? No difference to me. All right, this one is Saving with Tiffany. I'm Dreaming of a Hogwarts Christmas. And this one got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, nice. Let's do green. Let's get some green on here. Here we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, only 4 more till that's done. Sweet. Nice. All right, and the last one is the Scratch and Save, which I think is like, is this one almost done? Oh no, we started a new one. That's right. This is from Savings with Tracy, my girl Tracy. All right, this got $8 there, but today it only got 2. So what are we doing? We gonna try to scratch? Or are we gonna wait till next week and see? Because I don't like IOUs. I don't do IOUs. Let's put this in here like this. There's the daily truck. We'll put this in here like this. We'll put the $2 in the front. Next week, we'll see how much money we got and then we'll scratch. Because I don't want an IOU. I feel like when you have an IOU and you only have $25, let's say the IOU is $6, like that takes $6. Now I only have 19 left to play with. That's no fun. All right, so that's it for the challenges for this week. I want to share these in case you're doing a Christmas in July and you're looking for other challenges. I know I should have done it earlier. I'm late to the party. I didn't even dawn on me to share these. But this is from Bookish Mama Budgets. These are all free on their Ko-fis. The only thing that we ask, even if you go to my Ko-fi and grab something for free, is watch a couple of videos, like, comment, subscribe. That's how we get monetized and paid, which helps to fund like what we're doing in printing and ink and all this jazz. So go show them some love. This is Bookish Mama Budgets. Isn't that adorable? Where should I put these? We'll just put it right here. And the next one is Reynolds Budgets. This beautiful beachy Christmas. Oh my God, that's just gorgeous. Save 24. This could be a roll and save, or save whatever amount you want. The next one is Cash Stuffing Co. My girl Cash Stuffing Co. She got some great tiny videos. She does some, I love her tiny videos. This is hers. This is some mega savings right here. Holy moly. And this is also hers. So she's got like this cute one, and then she's got this like old school retro, yeah, Christmas savings there. This one I just found this morning from Agape Book Club. You can do this as a roll and save also, and there's also 2 tinies. All right, this one is mine, Savvy Girl Saves. This is on my Ko-fi. And you know, when it dawned on me, I don't know who else OCD's here, but I usually do this side, this side, this side. Like these should have been like this. Anyway, we got some Santa on the beach, some Santa playing with the elves, and some Santa with a boombox. So go get you some. You can do it as a roll and save, or you can do it as your regular Christmas savings. This one's from the Craft Bin. I love her stuff. I love the variety, like that I can put this one in my roll and save binder and put these in my regular mini binders. All right, the next one is Boss Babe Budgets. Christmas in July. Save 25, save 50, save your choice. This one is Anna Banana Budgets. Oh my God, how cute is that little reindeer? Oh my God, so adorable. So save 32, save 20, and save 40. These are beautiful, Anna. All right, and then I have some tinies in case you're doing Christmas tinies as opposed to Christmas minis, or you're mixing it in and just doing all of it. This is Budgeting with Lysandra, which I love when Cash Stuffing Co. and Norellis Budgets, they go Budgeting with Lysandra. My best friend is Puerto Rican, so sometimes it comes out, but I love how they say her name with Lysandra. So she's got these adorable Santas. Here's another one from her. This is, look at the snowman in the sand, and a little reindeer. So cute. This is from Our Simplistic Life. It's some tinies. I'm going to put these in my tiny binder, and when Christmas time comes, I'll use them in my Tiny Tuesdays. And the last one is Budget Your Life with Paula. I love these. Oh, these are so adorable. So there you go. There is some. The other thing I'm going to offer is I can't use, I mean, I could use all of these. But if I use, hold on, I'm sitting on my leg like an idiot again. I don't know why I do that. I lose feeling in my leg, and I'm not young. I could use all these, but if I try to use all of these, by the time I get to them, like I miss the freebies. Like next year, there's going to be more new freebies. But if you're someone who does not have a printer or doesn't have a color printer, I'm going to cut these up. I'm going to keep a couple for myself. Like I'll keep 2, and then I'm going to give away the other 4. I'm going to keep the roll and save. Sorry, peeps. But you know, I'm going to give these away. So I'm going to have a couple of envelopes, just 1 stamp, like whatever 1 stamp will weigh an ounce or so. And I'm going to stuff it in the envelope. So if you would like some of these challenges, today's Thursday. If you send me a message, well, just send me a message whenever. You can find me on Etsy. You can join my mailing list, or my email is down below, savvygirlsaves@gmail.com. Send me an email if you're comfortable giving me your name and address, and I'd be more than happy to put these in a card and send them out in the mail to you so you can enjoy them as well, because I have so many, and I have so many already cut. Look at this. Let me show you my bin. Look at this. I'm also going to do it with Freebie Fridays. Look at my bin. Look, these are all, and I have some on my printer. I don't even stack yet. These are all games. Oh my God. Like I have so many, and I have scratchers. I'm going to do a giveaway with some of the scratchers, but all of these tinies and all these minis, I'm never going to get to them all without losing, without, you know, I want to be able to download the new ones and use the new ones too, not just always use old ones. So that was a lot of words. But if you would like some of these, let me know. I'm also going to do it on Freebie Friday with some of the freebies that I'm going to share and the tinies that I'll share on Tuesday. If you want some, send me an email, leave me your name, address. Just put in the subject line, what should we put in the subject line? Mail me freebies. Mail me challenges, something like that. And I will respond back and send them out to you. So anyway, that's all for today, friends. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow for Roll and Save. First Roll and Save in this binder. I have not played it yet. Haven't done it. So we're going to do it together. All right. See you later, friends. Stay savvy. Peace.